Well, we're just marching right along. Now we're going to talk about arithmetic means. And so, what is an arithmetic mean? Well, it's as simple as this. If we've got two non-consecutive terms, if we're given two non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence, the terms between those two non-consecutive terms are called the arithmetic means. So let's look at what we've got right here. So we're saying write a sequence that has 6 arithmetic means. That means there's 6 numbers in this arithmetic sequence between 12.4, 12 and 4 tenths, and negative 24 and 7 tenths. And so I could actually write it, I could actually visualize it like this. Say I got 12.4, comma, I got a term I don't know. That's an arithmetic mean. I got a term I don't know. Another 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 term I don't know. That should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then lastly, I know this last term out here, negative 24.7. And what I'm being asked to find is what each of these 6 numbers are. Arithmetic means. Now, I also don't know a common difference. So I want to start with my explicit formula. AN equals A1 plus N minus 1 times D. And first step is I'm going to find the common difference. Well, my AN is my last number in the sequence. That's negative 24.7. And that equals, and A1 is 12.4. That's the first number in this sequence. Plus, and then I've got N minus 1. Well, how many numbers are in this sequence? If I've got 6 arithmetic means, but I know a first and a last, so that's 2, and 2 plus 6 is 8. So N is 8. Substitute in 8 for N, minus 1 times the common difference, which is what I'm trying to find. All right, so let's go negative 24.7 equals 12.4. And plus 8 minus 1 is 7. And 7 times D is 7D. So we're going to solve for D. I'm going to subtract 12.4 from both sides of this equation. And when I do, I'm going to get negative 37.1 now equals 7D. We're going to divide both sides by 7, and we're going to find our common difference is negative 5.3 equals D. So now that I've got my common difference, I can apply it beginning with the first term in the sequence and just complete until I've got 6 terms in between. So let's see, if I got 12.4 minus 5.3, I invite you to check my math on this. That'd be 7.1. And then 7.1 minus 5.3 is going to be 1.8, 1 8/10. And then 1 8/10 minus 5 3/10. Well, that's going to give me negative 3.5, 3.5. And negative 3.5 minus 5.3 is going to give me negative 8.8. Let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 2 more to go. Negative 8.8 minus 5.3. Well, that's going to come into negative 14.1. And then negative 14.1 less 5.3 is going to give me negative 19.4. And if I just want to, so there's my 6 geometric, or arithmetic, excuse me, 6 arithmetic means. And if I just want to make sure I'm right, I could take that negative 19.4 and subtract 5.3 from that, and it would be negative 24.7, which is my last term. So we use our explicit formula. We find that we got the first number, we got a last number, we got numbers in between. I take the arithmetic means I'm asked to find. I'm going to add 2 to that because there's 2 terms I know in the sequence. Plug that in for N. Plug in my last number for A subscript N, my first number into A subscript 1, solve for D, and then apply my common difference and develop the arithmetic means that I'm asked to solve. It's not too bad. Practice, practice, practice.